Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about business environment and its features. In general terms, environment means surroundings. But in management point of view, it refers to the surroundings in which business exists. Business environment. What is this? Let me tell you a story. In 17 and 18, there was a company called Western India Vegetable Products Limited. They manufactured consumer products like refined oils, grains and nuts, and other household items. Around that time, a young new chairman took over the company. He began to look for the fresh opportunities to diversify his business. Well, he saw that India in early stage of becoming hub for the IT services with a good pool of skilled workers and cheaper operations cost. He realized that this could be a valuable business opportunity. So, the consumer product company decided to invest in starting up an office for IT consulting along with the other business. They managed to partner with technology companies and slowly expanded their client base. Today, they are one of the biggest IT services companies in India with the several international clients and multi-million dollar contracts. You probably thinking I never heard about this company called Western India Vegetable Products Limited. Well, you might know this company as Wipro. Well, that's right. Wipro started out as a consumer products company, but the chairman Azim Premji observed the business environment and saw the opportunity to join in the growing IT services industry that India is now so well known for. He changed the name of the company to Wipro and well the rest in history. Business leaders such as Azim Premji are working in a particular region, industry under specific laws and with fast changing consumer preferences, all of which form an important part which is called business environment. So what is business environment now? Business environment refers to the total of all things external to firms and industries which affect their organization and operations. The business environment is determined by two factors, namely, first one, microenvironment or internal factors or endogenous factor, and the second one is macro environment or external factor or exogenous factor. The first one, that is internal factor. What is internal? Yeah, internal factors are the factor which we can find within the organization which affect the business operations. So internal factors are the factors we can find inside the organization. The internal environment factors such as plans, policies or strategies or human resources, interpersonal relationship with the employees, plant, machinery, equipments, etc. And the second one is external environment or external factors. An external environment is composed all of the outside factors that impact the operations of business. The external forces or factors are economic, environment, or competitions from the competitors, or climate change, or natural or technological disasters, etc. Here, every business has a control over internal factors, but external factors are not under the control of business or organization, as well as external factors are uncontrollable and unavoidable. Well, now let us learn about the features of business environment one by one. The first one is totality of external forces. That means all the external forces. It is a sum total of cultural or political, economical, social, physical, technological, which move around the business organization. Business environment includes all the forces, institutions, and factors which directly or indirectly affect the business organization. So, here business has generally no control on these factors. Now, the second one is specific and general forces. Business environment is made up of both specific and general forces. Specific forces refers to the customers, competitors and investors, etc., which have a direct effect on the day-to-day operations or day-to-day working of the business, while general forces refers to social, political, technological and other forces which indirectly affect the operations of the business. They affect indirectly and also affect the operations of the firm. Third feature is interrelatedness. All the forces and factors of business environment are interrelated to each other. They are connected or they are linked to each other. The various elements of business environment are very closely related to each other. For example, at present, there has been an increase in demand for products like diet colas or fat free cooking oil or sugar free products, etc., due to increase in awareness for good health among consumers. Thus, factors and forces are interrelated to each other. Now, the fourth feature of business environment is dynamic nature. Dynamic means not static. It means a change, bringing changes. Business environment is dynamic in nature. Dynamic means it is not static. It keeps on changing. The change can be both an opportunity or a threat. The success of business depends on alertness and adaptability. Business environment changes frequently due to various external forces like economic or social or political changes or political factors or technological factors, etc. Such dynamism in the environment brings continuous change in its character. The only remedy is to adjust business as per environmental changes. Now the fifth feature is uncertainty. Uncertainty means there is no guarantee. Well, it is very difficult to predict the changes of business environment. We cannot predict, we cannot assume what will happen in the future. As environment is changing very fast, for example, in IT, fashion industry, frequent and fast changes are taking place. Customers may change their taste and preferences according to their needs. So there is no guarantee. But you can take some measures like changes in the strategies. That means, being a businessman, you can change the strategies or the policies, or else you can modify the product too. For what? To retain the customers with you. The next one is, sixth one is complexity. What's the meaning of complexity? That means it is difficult. Business environment is a difficult and complex phenomenon. Business environment has now become extremely complex and the government interventions has become more frequent. It is difficult, it is very difficult to grasp, isn't it? Yes. This is because it is governed by external factors. And the last one is relativity. Business environment is a relative concept. Different countries and different regions have different business environment. Business environment may differ from country to country or region to region. For example, we Indians prefer sari. The demand for the sari is fairly high in India, while the demand for the sari is almost nil in France. Hence, a multinational company has to keep this in mind while formulating its policies for different countries. I hope this topic is clear. Thank you.